Start by turning the piston to bottom dead center. Remove the right cylinder cover and loosen the left valve cover while the cylinder is still mounted. Mark the 4 cylinder base nuts 1 through 4 to follow a consistent pattern. Loosen the cylinder base nuts 1/4 turn at a time to avoid binding. Take as many passes as you need. Tap the cylinder with a mallet in multiple locations. While standing on the left side of your bike, slowly raise the cylinder to expose the alignment dowels and stuff a clean shop towel into the crankcase opening. Do not twist the cylinder. If your dowels are seated on the studs, remove the cylinder. If the dowels are in the cylinder, make sure they don't fall into the crankcase. You may experience binding on the left side of the cylinder due to seized alignment dowels. If your cylinder is seized to the stud, use PV Blaster and patience. Remove the alignment dowels and any loose gasket material immediately following cylinder removal.